that you don't have to become a designer as a profession. Is not the must. It's like, providing you the knowledge or the thing that I know so that you can use this to create the crochet garment that fit your body and to just feel beautiful in your flesh and bone, feel beautiful where you are right now, and just learn to create out of love. And so, hey dear one, I just want to say to you that finally I have launched Crochet Designing Universe. And if you wonder why it's universe, because earlier yesterday I was mentioned with crochet designing school, and then I think about it and I was like, no, school is not really something resonate with me, and universe is more like me because I'm talking to the universe all the time. And yeah, I just feel like I have this idea since last year, before even I have my Patreon site, or before I joined the Patreon platform. And then I have a Patreon, I have patrons, I have people who joining me on this journey. And it was like, okay, it's so nice to have Patreon to share my content, to share the video, to share the thing that I want to teach you and sharing with you. But I am no way can see your work. Like, you can comment but you cannot post your work, so I cannot really see what you make. To have the space to see your work and be able to serve you, those who come to me and trust me enough to ask me questions and want to learn from me. So I decided to start this Facebook group, and just for my patrons. And if you are my patron, thank you so much for being here and trusting me and ask me questions. And yeah, I already post on the Patreon side with the link for you to join. You just have to provide the email address that you use on the Patreon site when you sign up, or when you sign in to see the content that I post there. You just have to provide me that email on our group, and I will accept you to be part of the group. And when you are in the group, look for this post. Actually, it's the latest post of me wearing this scarf, and I ask you to introduce yourself and let me know who are you, why you here, and also let me know the struggle that you have so I can serve you. I plan to do a weekly live chat with you and giving you as much as I can and as much as you need to know about designing. And I also want to say it again that you don't have to become a designer as a profession. Is not the must. It's like, providing you the knowledge or the thing that I know so that you can use this to create the crochet garment that fit your body and to just feel beautiful in your flesh and bone, feel beautiful where you are right now, and just learn to create out of love and not just follow all the time, but learn to think with me. And I think this is going to be so beautiful journey together. When I started, I don't have any friend who are designing and doing what I do. I mostly hang out with people who love what I do, that is amazing, and follow my pattern. And now we are creating the community for creator, and I'm so excited. Come and join us. I don't want to talk about that much more. Just come and join us and let me know what is your pain point on designing. If you need any help or anything that you want me to share with you, and if you just want to be my patron to get the pattern, only the patterns throughout the month, that is totally fine. I am so happy already that you trust in me to create something you don't know yet what's going to be, and you just trust me enough to be my patron. That is so beautiful feeling. And yeah, I see you on our crochet designing universe. So excited.